Oh man, sometimes when this kit has to come out, you know it's been a little bit of a harsh day because you broke a bolt or something. Here, this is a really nice kit though. I can't say enough good about it. It comes with this conversion chart, makes it really easy when you're working. This is a great kit from GearWrench. I'm going to show you why. It's this ratchet right here. Basically makes the whole thing worth every penny. That method of doing a tap is so much nicer, and this thing's very well weighted. You see it almost spins like a fidget spinner on me. It's very well weighted, and we're used to this style, right? I'm going to be doing this, honestly, forever like that. That's the old school style. This here's the new school style. You got to get yourself one of these if you're deciding to get into some tap and die stuff. Look at that. How much faster is that going to be? And the weight feels so good, like the counterweight. If you're doing it like this, it is like perfect 50-50 on this thing. Ratchets forward and backwards for you. And guess what? They thought about you. If you still want to do it the old school way, here's your little pin. Here's your old school way if you got to do it that way, if you need the clearance or whatever. Locks in kind of halfway, all the way, any which way you need it. And it's a pretty all-inclusive set. This is going to get most people by with everything you'd ever need to do. Feeler gauges down here, 2 pair of them, or 2 sets of them. And just the widest array of assortment of all this stuff that, honestly, I bought it for probably 3 or 4 of the things. The main thing was this right here, though. There's no way I could do these again without this thing. That has saved me so much time and headache. Worth it. Worth every penny.